What's wrong, Canon? Oops. Why don't you want to print anymore? Now either my printer is running out of ink, or my printer is trying to tell me something. Let me try and decipher that. I need ink. Alright, looks like I need the pink. I have pink. I have pink here. Is this pink? Yeah, that's pink. I need the big black one. I mean, who doesn't need a big black one, right? Cyan. Give me some cyan. We have cyan. We have cyan. And we have the yellow. Or the yellow. So I gotta take that, put it in there with one hand. So I need to take this plastic off. You know what? Let's do some editing. I got the plastic off. Let me take the black out. I think I push here. Yeah. And the black comes out nicely. Put it somewhere else. Take this black guy. Push to my right. Of course, I'm doing this one hand, so this might not work too well. Come on, thumb. My thumb is not strong. Don't do that. Now I gotta put it so it's facing in like this, and then push it in. Magneta. Yeah, I should take them off first. Ink. And snap. Come on, Cyan. It's time to fight. To make more blue. Can I call it blue? It looks like blue. Yellow. Alright. Yellow. And boom. And that's it. That's how you change ink in a Canon printer. You can't see it. It's MG6220.